Hey there, viewers! Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is this reading for the sign of Gemini for the month of September. I have already shuffled my card. Now I will cut them in a pile, and I will do the reading in the different spread. I have done this spread before in August also, but I am doing this time a Celtic cross spread for the general reading for of the month of September, for the whole September. It's a general reading, not a specific. So I'm doing it in Celtic cross spread. I have already shuffled my cards, so now I will cut them in three piles. What is the current situation is Seven of Pentacles, crossing it the Star, and what is the base of the reading is King of Wand, and what is the crowning of the reading is the Fool, and what is the in the recent part is Knight of Cups, and in the near future you have Five of Pentacles. In your inner self, in external forces, Sun card, and external forces as Four of Wands, and your hopes and wishes are Ten of Pentacles, and in the outcome you have Five of Wands. So you have two 5 number cards here. So now 3 5 number cards. You have Five of Swords in the bottom of the deck. I mean, in underneath the deck you have Five of Swords. So Five of Swords is the tug of war kind of situation. Everybody, all lot of people are fighting with each other, but no one is winning this fight, and no people are fighting this kind of fight in all costs, whether they lost their relationships in this fight, and whatever is the condition, they lost something but not gain. So they do not gain in this kind of fight, but they lost everything, and it's they want to and try to win all costs. In this card you can see that this person is like he is winning, and these people are lefting the fight battlefield, but he's he's winning, but in the in reality he is not winning, he is hurting them and losing these people. So this is kind of what is going on this time in your maybe in your home and family situation, or maybe in your relationship situation, or maybe in your workplace. So you are trying to move forward for your inner peace, in your mental, for your mental peace. You are making yourself very much strong in this kind of situation. But maybe someone will offer you something, and you think it will be good, but it is not, and it will lead to this kind of situation. So what is the you are going to in month of September? What is your challenge in this September? Is that Seven of Pentacles, your finances are very much tight this time, or you are trying to think practically in this kind of situation, in this tug of war kind of situation. Lot of five of sword, Five of Pentacles, Five of Wand in your reading are appears, mean some kind of tug of war, left out in a cold, and fighting, fussing, competition type of situation going on in your home and family life, because two cards are here of home and family. So Ten of Pentacles and Four of Wands is a home and family kind of situation. So this is home and family situation where you are having this kind of fight going on. So you are very much holding back yourself. you are not practically involved, you are trying not to practically involve in this kind of situation, or maybe you are very much worried over your finances this time, or maybe your partner's finances this time. You are very much worried and trying to spend money carefully this time. So and you what is crossing it is the star card. So maybe someone is mm, not um feeling well, or maybe someone is health is concerning this time, or this health issue is very much uh, taking your finances, like in treatment a lot of finances are spending. So this is a set challenge for you this the month of September, that you are already in a lack of finances this time, but and this health issue is coming up for of someone, or maybe someone close to you. A health issue is coming up, and this is very much so someone health is concerning, you're concerning about someone health. So and you're lacking in finances this time, and you are very much careful to expend this your finances over medications and all, and hospitalization, whatever it is. So what is the base of your reading is the King of Wand. Maybe you are in the energy of this King of Wand, and you are very much energetic this time, and doing things and taking actions regarding your finances, or maybe whatever this situation is, you are taking action about this, or maybe this is your person. Maybe this is your marriage partner, or maybe this is your love partner, whatever he or she is. This is general reading, so it can be any gender around you. So you or this person is maybe fire sign, or you are dealing with fire sign, or this person is very much taking charge of this situation and doing things regarding this financial issues, or maybe this health issues. They are doing things, and they are very much prominent in this situation right now. Maybe this person is this person is concerning their health problem. So, or maybe someone else, or maybe or this person is taking care of that person who has some health problem. So what is crowning your reading is the Fool card. You are taking some risk, or maybe you or your person are ready to take some risk regarding your finances, maybe, or maybe in this health problem. Like if there is a chance to have some kind of surgery, so or if there is some kind of risk in this surgery, so you people are trying to take some kind of risk in this situation. So you are taking any kind of risk to make this happen, to heal this whatever this illness or surgery issue. You people are trying to take, you people are ready to take risk over this situation. So in the near recent past, you have Knight of Cup. This is someone coming toward you for apology, or you are going towards someone to offer your apology, or maybe this is some kind of news, or some it is like a person is coming toward you. So um, maybe maybe this is your child kind of energy. Pisces energy is there. So maybe this person was not with you. Maybe this is the if this is a relationship kind of situation, this person is your spouse, and he was aloof from you, maybe detached from you, or maybe you have some kind of fighting situation with each other. So maybe you or this person is offering their apology to you, or maybe they are coming toward you with their cup of love, and they are very much trying to see all pros and cons, how this relationship can work, and they want to heal this relationship, or maybe you want to heal this relationship. This kind of situation also can be happen. So in the in your in internal force, you have the sun card, so you are very much happy this time, and very much fun type of energy in within you this time. So you are maybe um, uh, regarding all this, you accepting all this issue, you are trying to make yourself happy and trying to make fun with home and family situation, and maybe with your family, or maybe with your siblings, whatever, whoever is around you this time, you are trying to make fun with them and happy, try to have some happy moment with them. So, and what is your external forces is four of wands. It is like stability around you, and we can see that you are happy, and because you have some stability around you, and maybe your person is offering you some kind of stability, and your surroundings and within yourself and your surroundings are very much good, and you are hoping, maybe your person is trying to try to build some stability within your relationship, or within financial uh, concerns. They are trying to make they are trying to provide you some stability of financial and home like situation, and this is your hope and wish to have this abundance in your life, and abundance and home and family, materialistic things in your home and family. This is your wish, and maybe as this stability, home and family stability, you are wishing around, and maybe it is happening around you, in terms of happiness and fun and happy kind of moment. You have this happy kind of moment in your home and family, but regarding financial issues, you are concerning your finances, and you are hoping to have some abundance in your life regarding your finances, because you are concerning over some finances here. So this is your wish to have some financial stability in your life. But in your outcome, I'm seeing that you have five of wands. So there is some kind of tug of war and competition like situation. Maybe a lot of people living in your house, and you have some kind of stability. You have some kind of competition type of situation in your surroundings, and in your recent near future, you have five of pentacles. So in month of September, in the end of September, maybe you will have some financial issues, or maybe in terms of finances, you will have some finances, lack of finances. And if this is a relationship situation, so you will have some clashes with your partner. Maybe you will got separated with your partner. I will take some clarifier for these two cards. First, I will take for five of pentacle. What is the clarifier of five of pentacle? What is the clarifier for five of pentacle? Queen of cups. Clarifier five of pentacles and Hierophant. So and in the bottom of the deck you have Queen of Pentacle. So you want to be this Queen of Pentacle. You want to be stable in finances, but you have some tower kind of movement in your relationship. You will have some tower kind of situation in your relationship. Um, but you will do good, or maybe you will if you separate, you will got separated with your person, then you will be on your own finances. Maybe this is kind of like taking your charge on your own, or maybe this separation and tug of war kind of situation, this five of wand and this five of swords like situation with this Queen of Cup, maybe this Queen of Cup in your surrounding, which is causing problem in your marriage life. So you have to deal in the month of September with this Queen of Cup situation. It is some Queen of Cup is like jealous kind of queen, in, you can say that. So this queen is creating some problem in your marriage, and you will have some clashes with your partner in your marriage because of this Queen of Cups. So you have to careful of, from this queen, because this queen will create some uh, fighting kind of situation in family, or within you and your partner. So be careful. So if this reading resonates with you, let me confirm in a comment below, uh, and like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.